dogs have that real strong, large bones on their snout to dig underground tunnels. We have 3 in this pen, and a couple of years ago they actually dug a tunnel all the way out into the walkthrough area.
Want to do it like this?
Yeah.
Jessica was about to look at him, maybe a little older. Where's that gunner?
You're not scared. Here, hold this and then take it out of your teeth. Don't we? Yeah, let more animals. Hold this.
We're going to start going down here with some hooks. Make sure you're holding on to that just a little bit of spring. If you ever watched the first Jurassic Park movie, they actually videotaped emus running to show all their dinosaurs through the fields. No, they just videotaped a large group of emus out in the wild, and they were able to put that in a computer.
Got a big bump. Whoa, good God. Hey, do we get to do the beginning too?
Hang on, everyone. Hang on. Watch out for I don't want to Lola, get some llama. I need you to.
If the llamas in this area, we'll also see the second type of deer with spots. These are fallows from Europe. They come in 3 different colors. There's the common light brown to our left. We'll also see a lot of dark chocolate and completely white ones.